It's a release day, you're in Jira, but you need to verify your test coverage before shipping. Here is how Zephyr Skills for Rovo surfaces coverage and execution data directly into Jira. I'm looking at an epic in Jira that's linked to a test cycle, and I need to confirm if it's ready to ship. Without Rovo, I would switch to Zephyr where my test artifacts live. I would manually check execution statuses in the test cycle, build reports to understand test progress and coverage, then compare coverage reports to the Jira epic to find any coverage gap myself. Instead, I will use Zephyr agent for Rovo. First, I will ask for an execution summary for this test cycle. So let me ask this. What's the test execution status of the test cycle linked to MD12? Zephyr Skills for Rovo surface the data all at once. It shows that only a handful of tests have been executed. So next, I will check test coverage and release risk across all items in this epic. Let me ask this. What's the test coverage and release risks for stories under Epic MD12? Rovo analyzes work items, maps them to the linked test cases, and provides a clear release summary with coverage details, flagged risks per work item, and recommended next steps. So now I will ask Zephyr agent for Rovo to design test cases for the uncovered work item, and I'm gonna ask it to preview the test cases for me. Rovo proposes a set of structured test cases and displays a preview. Nothing is created until I confirm it. I will refine these test cases with a follow-up prompt and clean up the test data and remove unnecessary scenario. Okay, the preview updated based on my follow-up prompt. Now let me ask Rovo to create these test cases in Zephyr. Let me confirm the creation. 2 test cases are now created in Zephyr and ready to be linked to a corresponding Jira issue and ready to be executed. I can refine these test cases further in Zephyr or add them to the no-code automation workflow. I just went from incomplete coverage visibility to having structured test cases ready to execute. It happened in one session with Zephyr Skills for Rovo. Zephyr Skills for Rovo are included with Zephyr. Find it on Atlassian Marketplace.